Hello students of standard 7. Now we will start lesson number 11, circle. First topic is the relationship between circumference and diameter. The ratio of the circumference of any circle to its diameter is constant. This constant is represented by the Greek letter pi. Remember this letter, it is pi. The value of pi is taken to be 22/7 or 3.14. If the value of pi has not been given in a problem, it is taken to be 22/7. So remember, I will show you here one circle. This is the center, this is called a radius, and this whole circular part, it is circumference C. But if you draw this radius till here, then it becomes diameter D. Diameter D means R plus this R equal to 2R. Now here a ratio of, it is given a ratio of circumference to its diameter. A ratio of circumference of a circle and circle's diameter is constant and it is denoted by pi. So if radius is R, diameter is D and circumference is C, then circumference upon diameter, that is C upon D, equal to pi. See here. C upon D equal to pi, that is circumference upon diameter equal to pi, because this ratio is constant, and constant is denoted by Greek letter pi. Now if I shift this diameter to right hand side, then we will get here C equal to pi into D, or you can write pi D also. So circumference equal to pi into D. But we know, just I explained here, diameter equal to 2R, that is diameter is twice of radius. Now replacing this diameter by 2R, then we will get same equation here, C equal to pi into D, but D is equal to 2R. So pi into 2R, then take 2 first here, then we will get C equal to 2 pi R. So two equations are here. This is first equation, this one is second. C equal to pi D or C equal to 2 pi R. By using these equations, we can find circumference of a circle. Now first example, the diameter of a circle is 14 centimeter. Then find its circumference. Diameter is given, we have to find circumference. Solution. Diameter D equal to 14 centimeter. Then formula is circumference equal to pi D. Equal to substituting values of pi and D. Pi is 22/7 into D 14. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. Equal to 22 into 2. 22 into 2 is 44 centimeter. Therefore, the answer is circumference of the circle equal to 44 centimeter. Second example, the radius of a circle is 35 centimeter. Then find its circumference. Now radius is given, we have to find circumference. Solution. A radius of the circle R equal to 35 centimeter. Then formula is circumference equal to 2 pi R equal to, by substituting values, 2 into value of pi is 22/7 into radius is 35. Simplified, 7 ones are 7, 7 fives are 35. Now equal to, next step, 2 into 22 into 5. Now 2 into 22 is 44 into 5, and then 44 into 5, it is 220. Therefore, circumference of the circle is equal to 220 centimeter. Solve these examples in your maths notebook.